Good day. My name is Rosette J. Ventura and ngayon, i-configure ko si Lab 12 which is si LLDP. First, what is LLDP? LLDP stands for Link Layer Discovery Protocol. So, this is used for networking device discovery. It also allows devices such as switch, routers, and servers to advertise information about themselves to their directly connected peers. First is my note dito na make sure show device model labels and always show port labels in logical workplace in the options preferences menu are disabled. So, gawin muna natin yon. So, sabi options, preferences. So, ito. So, bako lang. So, disable daw natin. So, ayan. So, first one is disable CDP and enable LLDP on each networking devices. So, dito muna, which is si switch 1. So, first, enable ConnFT, no CDP run, and then enable natin si LLDP which is LLDP run. So, exit. So, gawin natin to sa lahat ng devices. So, next is sa R1, enable ConFT, ConFT, no CDP run, LLDP run, exit. Next is sa R2, so EN, ConFT, then no CDP run, LLDP run, exit. Sa switch 2 naman. So, CLI and ConFT, no CDP run, LLDP run, exit. So, tapos na yung number 1. So, next is use to show command to find the default timer values for LLDP. So, yung command naman dito is, so dito tayo sa switch 1. So, yung command to show the default timer values is use the command show LLDP. So, nakikita natin na yung status ni LLDP for switch 1 is active. Then, yung advertisement are sent every 30 seconds. Yung hold timer niya is 120 seconds. And then, yung interface reinitialization delay is 2 seconds. So, for switch 1. So, let's see sa R1. So, show LLDP. So, ito. So, 120. So, same lang din sa switch 1. Sa R2 naman, show LLDP. So, ayan. Sa switch 2, show LLDP. So, ayan. Next, number 3, use LLDP to identify which interfaces are used to connect the routers and switches. So, sa switch 1, so, gamitin natin si command na use LLDP nay. So, ito. So, yung neighbor, so, gumamit tayo ng show LLDP nay for identify connected devices. So, sa switch 1, yung connected devices niya is si R1, connected siya sa Giga port 101, hold time niya is 120, and then port ID niya is Giga00. So, next sa R1 pala, R1, show LLDP name. So, ito, dalawa. As we can see naman dito sa topology na dalawa nga naman. Si switch 1, and then si R2. So, R2 naman, show LLDP name or neighbor. So, dalawa din, si R1 tsaka si switch 2. So, sa switch 2, show LLDP name. So, isa lang, si R2 lang. Next, use LLDP to identify the iOS version of neighboring devices. So, sa switch 1, so yung gagamitin naman natin command is show LLDP neighbor that or detail. So, dito. So, port ID is 00, port description, gigabit ethernet 00. So, yung system name is R1, which is ito. And then, iOS, so, model. And then, yung version niya is 15.1. So, ito. Next, sa R1 tayo. Show LLDP nay that. So, total entries displayed dalawa. So, first, switch 1. So, yung kanyang version is 16.3.2. And then, yung pangalawa is si R2, which is yung version niya naman is 15.1. So, let's go to R2. So, show LLDP name that. Wrong spelling. That. So, dalawa din. First is si R1 na may version na version 15.1. And then si switch 2 na may version na 12.2. Next, sa switch 2 naman, show LLDP that. So, total entries displayed is 1, R2 with version 15.1. So, sa number 5, prevent SW2's F01 interface from sending or receiving LLDP updates. So, let's go sa switch 2. Pasok tayo sa global configuration. Then, int F01 LLDP. So, sabi stop sending. Ito, prevent. So, no LLDP receive. Then, no LLDP transmit. So, check natin. So, CDP. So, we can see here na kailangan natin siyang enable, which means naka-disable siya. So, sa LLDP naman, LLDP. So, ito ulit. Wait. Super redundant. So, ito. So, yung sa receive, so, for reception siya on interface, and then yung transmit, transmission on interface. So, ayun lang for this laboratory. Thank you.